Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Labor market questions get easy fast when you track which curve shifts, because we need the change that pushes both wage and employment downward together. Start with the target. Both equilibrium wage and quantity of labor must fall. So we need a leftward shift of labor demand, not labor supply, because supply cuts quantity but raises wages. Now check option C. If capital gets cheaper and capital is a substitute for labor, firms switch toward capital and hire fewer workers, which shifts labor demand left. That leftward demand shift lowers the market wage and lowers equilibrium labor hired, so option C is the only choice matching both directions. Well done! Option C. Scan now, watch signs, avoid rushing. Trust the given relationship and check which curve shift makes both results happen.